Here we worked on the exterior facade. We changed the windows, decorative shutters, and we changed the gutters. They match with the trim of the house. That also Weston Hills has a very strict color code. There's a 95 color code that you need to choose one of them and they need to approve it. We worked on the exterior waterproofing and painting, and we use a very particular paint. It's called Emerald Refresh. It's a paint that lasts much longer than a regular outdoor paint. About 10 to 12 years, you don't have to paint the exterior door again. This is the garage. We actually changed the windows too, all impact windows. I wanted to show you behind the scenes what the solar panel batteries look like, and this actually drives down the cost of electricity by a lot. So we continue as we change the pavers. We'll do a walkthrough for the owner to put the trash cans separately and keep it outside in a roof area. This is one of the shell stone pavers that we'll use here that the client chose. It's a 4x8 of 4 inches thick, which is specially well built for driveways. And it's done with shell, so it has a very nice look. This front door is an impact front door that we chose. We spec'd and we went through many options until the client and the architects chose the one that they wanted. It's an aluminum door with a coating that mimics wood. Nice and solid door, and you can see light going through, which gives nice light to the porch.